Hi guys, today's video is going to be a review on Luvme hair. Yes guys, this is the original packaging. I recently purchased a 26-inch deep wave from Luvme hair, and it's an undetectable lace. This is the original state of the wig. I'm just going to take the net off so that we can see those curls, and the curls are bouncy. Here you can see I'm running my fingers through the hair to feel the texture, just to see how the texture is, and it felt pretty good. Here you can see that they have like a little sponge thingy. We don't need that, so we're gonna just trash that. That's just to protect the lace, I'm guessing. And then we're gonna show you inside of the lace. It's a 13 by 6 deep part, so you have enough parting space. That's what I love about this wig, you guys. The curls are bouncy, it feels really soft, and it also comes with an extra band so that your wig fits perfect, guys. So they've already attached the band for you, and they give you an extra one in the box. Here I was trying to show you guys the knots on the lace, but it was just a little blurry. I'm so sorry guys, but I was trying to show you guys the knots. The knots are barely detectable. Like, you do not have to bleach this lace if you don't want to. But I'm gonna apply the wig, and I'm going to let you guys know my final thoughts. Here we go. Hi guys, welcome back to Face Beat by Nique. Thank you for clicking on this video, and do me a favor, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now before you go. If you've already clicked on the video and you're here watching me right now, go ahead and click that subscribe button, guys. And when you click the subscribe button, you'll see a little bell pop up. Make sure that you hit that bell and click all so that you can receive post notifications. So welcome back guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review, an honest wig review for you guys today. So yeah guys, I have this deep wave 26-inch lace front wig. It's a 13 by 6. I purchased this wig with my own coins, okay? I purchased this wig with my own money. I've been hearing a lot of people talk about Luvme hair, Luvme hair, Luvme hair. I've seen quite a few reviews here on YouTube, but I just wanted to try it out for myself because they were kind of mixed reviews, so I wasn't too sure. So I said, okay, let me just take a leap of faith, go ahead and purchase this unit. And guys, let me tell you, I'm loving it, okay? I'm loving it. Luvme hair. Yes, the reviews that I did see, there was one girl talking about, oh, the hair, you know, it didn't last that long. The hair got natted up on her and stuff like that. But guys, listen, you can't really look and listen to reviews most of the time until you've tried a product for yourself. Sometimes you're just gonna have to call it a loss if the product isn't good. She was saying the hair was natting up on her, it wasn't good quality, stuff like that. But guess what? She wasn't taking care of the hair the right way. She wasn't using the right products. She was using shampoo to wash the hair. You cannot use shampoo on these wigs. I only use conditioner and just wash the wig, right? So I'm like, okay, just by watching her video, that would have discouraged me from getting the hair from Luvme hair. That would have discouraged me if I didn't take a leap of faith and said, I'm gonna try this for myself. Then I would have missed out because of that one review. Because she didn't know how to take care of the hair doesn't mean that the hair is not good. Anyways guys, let's just get into it. So yes, I installed this wig here, and guys, the wig is so full. Look how full it is when it's wet, okay? Look at this. It's full when it's wet. So can you just imagine when it's poofed up? It's big, like it's a lot of hair. So yeah, I'm liking the hair. I think the hair is really soft. It's really soft. I'm not gonna lie to you, when I first pulled the hair out of the package and I was, you know, combing my hands through it and I was feeling the texture, I was like, wait, hold on a minute. This texture might feel a little off, but no. I'm telling you guys, I wet the hair. I put a little bit of curling oil by Aussie, and I used a little bit of curling revitalizing spray, and boom, here I am. And I used water, filtered water. I used bottled water. Yeah, they say I'm bougie, but whatever, because the water from the faucet, it's not good because it has like minerals and stuff like that in the water, so it tends to weigh down on the hair and it makes the hair hard. Yeah, so it makes the hair hard and crunchy and just nasty, and then you get all those gnats and stuff. No sis. I would recommend getting this unit, the Deep Wave. I don't know about any of their other units. I did order a Body Wave unit from them for my daughter, so we'll see how that goes. But as far as the Deep Wave, honey, boom. Okay, I know y'all see these curls, they're popping. Okay, they're popping. So to be honest, guys, I don't have to come on here and tell lies. I don't have to pump you guys up to go buy Love Me hair, because like I said, they did not send me this wig. I purchased this with my money, my hard-earned money. So you don't have to feel like, oh my gosh, she's just saying that because they probably sponsored her or whatever. No, I am not sponsored. This is an honest review. So yeah, guys, but I would definitely recommend getting this hair. I love it. Minimal shedding. And that is a pet peeve of mine. I don't like when hair is shedding all over the place and just, no. Okay? We don't want no shedding and all of that. Oh, another thing that I really, really, really loved about this lace is the lace. It's undetectable. They, you know, on the website it says undetectable. And to be honest with you guys, I didn't even bleach the knots. I didn't even bleach the knot. You can see my cap a little bit because I didn't do the ball cap method. I just wanted to throw the wig on really quick, you know, just to let you guys see the hair, right? And if you guys want to see how to install or how I install my wigs, I have other videos. I will link them in the description bar below, so check those out. But yeah, guys, the lace is undetectable, like seriously undetectable. I didn't even bleach the knots. Like seriously, I didn't bleach the knots. Every wig that I get, I have to bleach the knots. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I bought some wigs from Alley Pearl. Yep, I'm calling y'all out. Yep, Alley Pearl. And the wigs were so shiny. It looked like plastic. Like the hair texture was like plastic. It was shiny. And the knots were big. Like those were the big knots. I had to bleach the wig like 2 or 3 times just to get rid of the knots. And to me, I think that's just too much. Why do I have to go through all of that to put my wig on? With this, I didn't have to do anything to the wig. All I had to do was just put it on, honey. All I had to do was just install the wig and wet it with my water, put a little curl products on it. You don't want to use too much products because then it will start to, you'll get like product buildup and it probably will get nappy, and you know, you don't want that. I have really nothing negative to say about Love Me hair. The price was good, and at the time when I purchased this wig, I had a coupon code to get 25% off. And trust me guys, Love Me hair always, no matter what time of the year, what time of day, what time of the week, honey, they always have a code. With this pandemic, baby, if I could save a coin, honey, I want to save a coin. I'm going to show you guys what comes in the box with my wig. And of course, you know, the wig. This is the little baggie that the wig comes in right here. This little baggie right here. So the wig comes in this, so it's protected. So they do send you a package with 2 wig caps, so that's good too. In the box also comes a little zip, little, you know, case or whatever. And in that case, they send you a pack of bobby pins. They send you an extra wig band. The wig does come with a band on it, and they send you an extra one, so that's cool too. And they send you this little tweezer. I have this little tweezer here that I got in the bag. they sent me a little clippy for my hair. You see that says Love Me? Yeah, so let me just go ahead and put that clip on. I mean, it doesn't match my earrings, but you guys get the drift. So here it is, guys. Guys, I was so surprised when I opened the box and I saw so many things that they send you along with your wig, and you get a coupon code, and you're getting your wig for an affordable price. So I'm just like, is this too good to be true? They sent me a satin scarf. Look at this. This is so cute. You can use it as a accessory, or you could just use it to slay those baby hairs, sis. And I thought that was so nice of them to do that. So yeah. And guys, I'm not done yet. There's really more items in the box that came with my wig. Come on, guys. Like, seriously? And a curling tool? Like, what more could you really ask for? Really? If you ask for anything else from Love Me Hair, baby, I don't even know what to say to you. Yeah, so it's a flat iron and a wand. So it's a 2-in-1 situation going on here. All right. So boom, you got that. And that is the last item that they sent in the box, but I'm very pleased with my service. And guys, the shipping was very, very fast. I ordered my wig and I think I got my wig no later than 5 days. If I'm not mistaken, it was probably 4 days. I had no issues with shipping. I had no issues with tracking. You know, they're very professional. They send your stuff, okay? So I got this, also got this little pamphlet in the box. This just gives you information on how to care for the hair. I love the fact that it came in a box. Everything was neatly packaged in the box, and then you had this little paper over everything, and it says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of Love Me Hair. Well, thank you, Helena. You're doing a damn thing, girl. That is it for Love Me Hair. Love Me Hair. I will be purchasing again soon. Yes, they have so many options you can choose from. They have bobs. They have wigs that are already colored. This company, I definitely recommend. They're so professional. Shipping was just amazing. Love Me Hair. Go get you a wig, sis. I'm telling you right now. Stop, drop what you're doing, and go to lovemehair.com and go check them out. Okay, guys, that is it for my Love Me Hair review, honest review, and I will leave their information in the description bar below. If you guys want to go and check them out, feel free to do so. And guys, before you go, if you are just joining the Beat Bait fam, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click that bell so that you won't miss when I upload a new video. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for joining Face Beat by Nique. I love you guys so much. Bye. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.